What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a Christmas minion. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. We're going to start right in the middle. It's going to work in the left side. Going up towards the top, and all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull that back up in the middle. Now you want to draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start right in the middle, going up towards the same height, rounding this out, coming down towards the bottom, and then back up in the center. Now you want to trace each circle on the inside. Starting from the top, we'll step down, just leave an even space gap all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to push the pupils towards the inside of the eye. Let's start from the bottom left, draw a circle going all the way around, and then pull that in, and line this up on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left of each pupil. And we'll fill the bottom of each pupil in black, going around that highlight. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start directly underneath the left eye, curve the mouth coming down, and then back up. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down, and then up. Now from here we're going to draw the top row of teeth. Starting right in the middle, we're going to curve this down and up towards the left, go back to the center, go up towards the right. Let's add one more tooth on either side. Now move down to the bottom, add a curve for the tongue, going up and then down, and we'll fill in the inside of the mouth. Now let's go out to the side and add in the straps. From the top left, draw a straight line going out. Let's line this up on the right. Now we want to come down the side toward the bottom of the strap, and we'll pull that back in. Let's separate the strap with a straight line coming down the middle. Now from here, we're going to place the hat on top of the head, tilted over towards the right. Let's start from the center of that strap, go straight up. Now we're just going to bend the head coming in. Let's curve the hat going out across the right eye and then down on top of the right strap. Go across, and we'll bring that down. Let's round out the side of the hat brim. Starting from the top left, bend this around, and then in, go to the bottom right, and do the same thing. Let's connect the top of the brim with a curve. Now you go back to the top left and flop over the hat. Starting up here, bend this up and go across towards the right. I'm going to bend this out and then come down towards the side of the head. Let's add a circle along the bottom, coming in towards the strap, going all the way around, and then back up. Now from the bottom of this line, we're going to step in, curve the bottom of the hat, going up, and then bending that in towards the fold. And then from the top right of the brim, curve this up and in underneath. Now you want to work our way down the side of the head. Let's line up this line underneath the strap, come straight down to right about there, go underneath the right strap and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now you want to move to the center of the body and add that pocket with a candy cane. So in the center, let's step down, draw a straight line going across the middle, and then we'll connect the ends with a half circle, coming down from the left, and we'll go back up on the right. Let's add that candy cane tilted over towards the right. Starting from the center of the pocket, angle this up and out, round this out, come down and then back in. Let's flatten off the bottom. And I want to trace the cane along the inside, going around and back in behind the pocket. Let's add some stripes inside that cane. I'm going to move back out and connect these two lines with a curve going in behind the cane. So we'll start on the left, bending this down, and then in between, and back up towards the right. Now from the side of the head, we're going to leave a gap and draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom edge of the body. Line this up on the right, come down towards the same height. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down towards the middle. Just going to round this out, go across, and then back up towards the right. From the top of the body, we want to step down, draw the inside of the arm, curving this out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's go back to the left side. From the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb, and at the end, we'll close this off with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 2 large fingers underneath the thumb. We'll start down here, curve this down and up around that bracket. I'm going to step down, curve the second finger, going all the way around. I'm just going to pull this in towards the top of the thumb. Let's go to the top of the hand on the outside, draw a straight angle line going up and in, and we'll curve this in and then down towards the inside of the arm. Now going back up to the base of the head, we're going to curve the outside of the arm going out and then down in behind the edge of the glove. Just going to leave a little overlap on the outside. Now I want to overlap the straps on top of the shoulders. From the base of the head, we'll step down, follow the curve of the head coming down and in. Angle this up and in underneath the head. Let's add 2 buttons on the bottom of the strap. Now directly underneath that button, underneath the strap, we'll come down and we'll bend that out toward the left and do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the side of the body, draw a straight line going out. Now I'm going to move back to the center of the body in the center, draw a straight line coming down the inside of the leg towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the center, curve this down and up towards the left. Go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. Now from the outside, we're going to curve the top of the foot. Let's start from the left. Curve this up, and then bend that down towards that center line. And then from the top of this curve, we're going to step out, angle the leg going up and out underneath the body. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a Christmas minion. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.